Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in Magic Fluids. Now install this app from this developer and click on Open. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and tap on I accept. Then adjust your wallpaper however you wish to in those wallpaper settings. And when you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. But this time choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom right corner and click on Home Screen and Lock Screen. Or Home Screen and Lock Screen, sorry. I want to apply my wallpaper on home screen only, so I have to tap on this option over here. And click Home button. And now as you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!